Hey, what's up guys? Back here with part 2 of the Scx10 Dual Motor build. Now, my truck is nice and cleaned. Got most of the rust out, whatever I could get out. Some parts are still dirty, it just needs to be wiped down. Other than that, axle's in, everything's spinning nice and good. Except for the front axle, it's still a little bit tight, so I will be giving that a look sometime probably after this video later today, since it's the morning and I have to go to work today. But anyways, today I'll be installing the parts that you see laid out here. So yeah, let's start by removing the old transmission motor mount and removing the spur gear from its housing. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to need to do is remove the motor. So I'm going to get my tools here. Don't mind the annoying cat in the background. So the thing with this is I kind of chopped it up, so you can probably see here. Not sure how well you guys can see that, but I chopped this up here, so it's kind of like all messed up. So I'm gonna have to use some pliers so I can remove it properly. This little plate here. Just pry it up a little bit. Yep. Remove the spacer. Now we're going to remove these two plates here. Alright. Alright, so once that's out, simply pull these things out and you have Alright guys, so I got the dual motors sitting in the truck right now. I tested it out with the Jeep body. It doesn't fit nice and snug, but all I have to do is adjust the body post and everything will sit just fine. So what I'm gonna do now is screw in the transmission so that I can take out the ESC and start on that. So let's get to doing this. I'm almost running out of time for me having to go to work, so I'm trying to speed this up a little bit. So I can finish this on time. Alright guys, so I just finished installing everything. I just need to put a plate on this side, or whichever side, probably on this side I'm going to put it, to place the ESC. Just so, or if I end up putting it here in the back, what I'm going to have to do is, actually no, that works out pretty good. All I have to do is make sure I zip tie the wires down. So yeah, I'm still going to put the ESC here, put everything together. I have to get ready for work, so put the tires on and take it out for a test drive. So I might have to adjust the, actually it feels pretty good, but depending on how it drives today, I might have to adjust the pitch of the pinion and the spur.
Why don't you just give them a little test?
Oh yeah, so this is on a small pack battery, so you see everything's spinning nice and smooth, and that's not even full throttle yet. So imagine on a LiPo and on a 8.4 volt battery. Now the only things I have to do left is when I get back home, if I really want to use the Jeep body, I'm gonna have to do like a custom mount, so that, because at the moment the back is sitting on these pins right now, because of when I installed that Bluetooth speaker, I cut that little back piece. So I'm gonna have to do like a step up mount where it sits on here and I can connect it to the body pins here. The front is fine. I just have to lift it up a little bit and poke some holes through with the drill, just to give it a little bit more height, so that it sits properly. And then I'll probably put the bowls that I had from before, so it doesn't look like it's lifted way too high. And other than that, everything's running really good, of course until the test drive. But I have a 8th scale ESC, which should take all the torque and whatever. So thanks for watching. Probably the next video will be the test run after I do the first test run myself, so I'll record it in the trails.
Maybe
so, yeah,
you even post up the first one.
Yeah, I'll record it on on my phone and put it on Instagram for you guys. So thanks for watching again. Be sure to check me out on Instagram, RC Hobby _ Steve. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.